Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set FaceTime notifications to immediate delivery or schedule summary on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, go down to the notification style and tap on FaceTime. In the notification delivery section, you can select immediate delivery or you could select schedule summary. If you select immediate delivery, then your notifications from FaceTime will get delivered straight away. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.